This is the Chapter 4 review for linear programming. There's going to be one problem like this on your exam, and it's going to be one problem on the Chapter 8 quiz that is just like this. First things first is we use the cover-up method, so I don't want to think about any of that stuff. Sorry, I'm going to cover up the right stuff. I just want to look at that one. I want to cover it up. If I cover that up and I solve for y, I divide and I get 9. If I cover that up, I'd solve for x and I divide and get 6. So here, x equals 6 and y equals 9. I'm going to go graph that. Y equals 9 right here, y equals 6 right here. And I'm going to connect my dots. I'm going to turn it sideways here so I can do this relatively nicely. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the next equation. Put x equals 8 and y equals 8 because I would cover each of those up like so. Okay. Okay. And here's the thing, that first line, when I go to shade, I'm going to use this point 0, 0. I plug in 0, 0, and I get 0 is less than or equal to 18, and it works. So that first line I would shade in. And on the second line, I get 0 is less than or equal to 8, because 0 plus 0 is 0. And that works. So for the other line, I'm going to shade towards 0, 0. So what you'll have here is our little feasible region. This is the one that's like what you're going to see on the exam as well. Which gives us the points 0, 0, 0, 8, 6, 0, and where they intersect, right, excuse me, it's hard to see it, 2, 6. I didn't draw it in there as well as I'd like to, but it's supposed to intersect right there. I should have probably used a straight edge to draw those two together, which I will have available for you. Kind of trying to prove a point here. Use a ruler for this problem. You'll want to. And that gives me the point 26, and it will come out nicely if you use a straight edge. And then I just plug those in. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 16 is 16. 12 plus 0 is 12. And 4, because of 2 times 2, plus 2 times 6 is 12, is 16. Well, what minimizes it? Well, this is silly. That would just be 0, 0. That'd be the easy part. On the exam, I'll probably say what maximizes it, and I won't have repeating values. Okay? That's the Chapter 4 review. Come back for Chapter 5.